I'ma be there through the rough parts of it all. Holding your hand, fighting for the things that we want. Be the rock you lean on, with you by my side. Baby, when we fall, together we'll rise. 'Cause I've traveled so far just to get to where you are. And I know
just wanna understand everything that led us here. The teardrops when I hold your hand. No way I'd let you say goodbye. No way I'd let you say goodbye. Can we ride to fall?
got me below as I head to you, like the river flows, walking slowly in the mountains underneath the constellations. Yeah, I know that you've been waiting for me. Time is losing all its meaning, like I'm living in a dream, and I've been chasing all the feelings I need. It's in these moments with words unspoken, my eyes wide open, life tastes so sweet. It's in these moments where all I know is coming into focus, and now I see. It's in these moments. It's in these moments.
I lost my best friend to 23. She left her body and hovered above me. I saw no shadow, I looked around, searched every building and home that I found. I saw no shadow, but felt the glow. The warmth inside me kept me afloat. It felt like heaven, I found my bones, and gave me comfort when I feel alone. You're gone, I'm alone. I guess it's time to get better. Through the pain, I will go alone. And if I fall, break my bones, I will scream even louder, 'cause I'm not dying alone. Oh my God, don't do this. Oh my God, I need my best friend.